Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with a very quick unboxing. For those who are broke with expensive taste or just balling on a budget, love that lifestyle on a budget, I've done this brand before. Without further ado, I have another cheap Chanel unboxing for you. Here is the box. So as you know, Chanel has the boxes where they keep everything inside, so it's not revealed who and what it is. We'll give you another look at the box here. This is actually quite a bit smaller than the last time I did a cheap Chanel unboxing. As you know, here is our gift receipt and all that good stuff, which is a slide out card as well as a return shipping label should I decide to return it, which I'm not. But just so you know, the sleeve has all return aspects in it. Here's our box again. Nice little compact box, a lot smaller than the last box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. And just like last time, love the packaging. Chanel's packaging is a personal favorite, so I was actually looking forward to unboxing another cheap item from them. There's actually another item that I have in mind that's a beauty item. Technically this is a beauty item too, but there's another beauty item that I actually have in mind from them that I'm really excited to get. So here's our packaging, nice little Chanel sticker on the front there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. We'll pop this sticker open here. And just like last time, here's our packaging. Oh, so this one's packed a little tighter actually. One of the samples that I got, which was the multi-use illuminating base. This is the Leblanc de Chanel base. This is, I think, either like a blurring base slash like primer, or just like a base that you put on to like blur imperfections. I'll be actually trying this in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. The other sample that I got is actually in this little Chanel pouch. And oh, did they give me 3 samples? Oh snap. What did I do to deserve this? So one of the samples is the Hydra Beauty Micro Gel. This is the Intense Smoothing Hydration Eye Gel. So we got that. Very tiny little cute container here. And then the other thing that I got was the Chanel Gabrielle fragrance. Sample size, as you know. And there it is in all its glory. I look forward to trying this. I believe this is a newer fragrance, so I'm excited to give that a try. But what I actually bought was a nail polish. And I've never used luxury nail polish before, let alone Chanel nail polish. And I actually got a new color. This is in their current fall winter collection. It's all about reds and rouges and things like that, and this is actually a very nice kind of reddish plum color. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on one of my fingernails so you can see. Oh, and then if you're curious, I guess this just comes off and is there for decoration, but here's the actual polish itself. And here's our applicator, which is standard. All right, if you care, standard. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint one of my fingernails with it, or a couple. Let's see how it looks. And I am not very good at painting my fingernails accurately, so I apologize if there's like polish all out of the way and stuff like that. Be kind. I'll go ahead and tell you off the bat that it has a lot of color payoff for one coat, which I personally love. And one dip actually covered a lot of nail. I've got like 4 nails relatively covered. This one probably needs another coat. As you can tell, my painting skills are a little, you know, suspect there. I'll do my thumb too. But yeah, check out the hands. Cute, kind of. I mean, if it weren't janky, it'd be way cuter. But yeah, I think the nail polish is cute. I'm not mad at this nail polish at all. It smells strong like nail polish, let me tell you. Yeah, that is the new color from Chanel. And if you're curious, it is the 765 in Interdit. Yeah. But yeah, that is my newest cheap luxury unboxing. Like I said, Chanel is super extra when it comes to their packaging. Look at this bed of tissue paper confetti. Yeah, love it, per usual. If you like these videos, you want to see more of these videos, subscribe and like, and let me know what brands you would like for me to get cheap luxury items from. And until the next video, peace.